Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase brand loyalty with Starbucks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase brand loyalty with Starbucks, first, understand your target audience. Research customer demographics to identify their preferences. Next, analyze Starbucks' current loyalty programs. Study how the Starbucks Rewards program works. Identify key features that keep customers engaged, such as personalized offers. Create a welcoming in-store experience. Train staff to provide exceptional customer service. Implement consistent store aesthetics that resonate with your brand identity. Offer limited-time promotions that create urgency among customers. Leverage social media to connect with your audience. Share engaging content that reflects your brand values. Host events in-store that encourages community involvement. Consider collaborations with local artists or businesses. Make sure to gather customer feedback regularly. Utilize surveys and suggestion boxes to understand their needs. Based on feedback, adjust your strategies to enhance customer satisfaction. Build an emotional connection through storytelling. Share the origin stories of your brand and products. Encourage users to share their experiences on social media. Organize giveaways that incentivize sharing and engagement. Develop a robust app experience that enhances convenience.
Integrate mobile ordering and payment options. Send personalized notifications regarding promotions and rewards. Track customer data to predict preferences and purchasing behaviors. Loyalty programs should reward frequent purchases generously. Consider tiered rewards that motivate customers to spend more. Establish a referral program to encourage existing customers to bring in new ones. Create a sense of exclusivity around your loyalty program.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.